My dear students, welcome to online teaching of St. Thomas School. We are going to study moral science subject. We have completed chapter number 1. Now we are going to take chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is Early Influence. Here, meaning of influence is power of effect. First paragraph. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in the present state of Gujarat as the fourth and youngest child of Karamchand Gandhi. The Gandhis belonged to Vaisya caste. The Vaisyas are traditionally traders and farmers. The subcaste to which he belonged was called Baniya. The religion was Vaishnavism. His grandfather and father held high post in the country and were respected leaders of the society. Both his grandfather and father were Prime Minister of Porbandar. His father later became the Prime Minister of Rajkot and then in Wakaner. The fearless differences which we see in Mahatma later was definitely inherited from his ancestors. He explained two interesting incidents in his autobiography. He says, my dear students, in this paragraph you see Gandhiji's full name, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, means Gujarat, and he was fourth youngest child of Karamchand Gandhi, and his caste Vaisya. They were traders and subcaste was Baniya, means religion was Vaishnavism. And you see his grandfather and father both were having very good post, both were respected leader, and grandfather and father both were Prime Minister of Porbandar, and later on he became Prime Minister of Rajkot in Wakaner. That means earlier onwards there was no fear at all. So, information about him is given here. Next paragraph. Uttamchand Gandhi alias Ota Gandhi, my grandfather, must have been a man of principle. State intrigues compelled him to leave Porbandar, where he was Diwan, and to seek refuge in Junagadh. There was a saluted Nawab with the left hand. Someone noticing the apparent discourtesy asked for an explanation, which was given thus: the right hand is already placed to Porbandar. So in this paragraph you see, my dear students, grandfathers Uttam Chand Gandhi alias Ota, and he is the man of principle, means always following the rules and regulations. And he was refused for Junagadh. Why? Because he saluted with the left hand. What was the reason? Because right hand is already placed to Porbandar, therefore saluted with left hand. Out of two incidents in his autobiography of Gandhiji, this is a first incident. Not only his grandfather, but his father, Kaba Gandhi, was also equally loyal to the state. When an assistant political agent spoke insultingly of the Rajkot Thakur Sahib, his chief Kaba Gandhi stood up to the insult and questioned him. The agent was very angry and asked Kaba Gandhi to apologize, but he refused to do so, and therefore he was detained for some time. But when the agent saw Kaba Gandhi was adamant, he ordered him to be released. Incidents such as this might have influenced Gandhiji in his later years. His loyalty to the ruling government was unparalleled. He always believed that one has a duty towards one's government. It is this strong belief that made Gandhiji to support the government during the wartime. My dear students, in this paragraph you see only not Gandhiji's grandfather, but father Kaba Gandhi also equally loyal to the state. Because here in this incident, in second incident, it is said, when assistant political agent spoke insultingly of the Rajkot Thakur Sahib, his chief, then Kaba Gandhi stood and Kaba Gandhi questioned him why he insulted, and the agent was angry and asked Kaba Gandhi for forgiveness, but Kaba Gandhi refused. Then he was detained also, means removed also for some time. Agent saw Kaba Gandhi was adamant. The meaning of adamant means firm, determined. So, my dear students, you see, whatever power Gandhiji was having, that from childhood onwards, whatever loyalty he was having towards the government, that also he learnt from grandfather, father, from the family, and therefore he was very strong